family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. My channel is everyday about natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's just jump into it. As you can tell from the title, today we are talking about 6 reasons why you should be pre-pooing your hair. First of all, if you are new to the family, welcome. My wash day routine have various steps. My first step is I have to pre-poo my hair. I can't skip pre-poo. If you tell from my hair texture, you will know that pre-poo is a must. And apart from that, just the benefits that pre-poo gave to my hair. Now, the various steps in my wash day routine, first I have to pre-poo, and then I have to shampoo. I have to deep condition. After that, I have to moisturize my hair. To moisturize my hair, I use a leave-in treatment, a cream, and an oil, or a leave-in treatment, an oil, and a cream, which is referred to as the LCO method or the LOC method. And then I style my hair either in a big twist or big braids, and then after some days, I will take it down and put it into my regular bun. If you want to know how I make my regular bun, I will leave that video up in the cards and also down in the description box, only if I have meetings to attend. If not, you'll see me walking around with my hair in twists or braids. Those are the various steps in my wash day routine. If you want to give my routine a try and it worked for you, fine, or you can tweak it according to your hair type, according to your hair length, your hair texture, and just do what's work for your hair. If you are wondering what is pre-poo, pre-poo is just a treatment you apply to your hair before the actual shampoo process. The process provides your hair with an extra layer. Why I love pre-poo treatment, because sometimes some shampoo can really strip all the moisture away from your hair. Now once you have that protected layer over your hair, it should be fine. Now I'm going to give you 6 reasons why I pre-poo my hair, and hopefully by the end of this video you will see why you should also be pre-pooing your hair. First reason that I pre-poo my hair is because of moisture. If you look at my hair and look at my hair type, you will know that this hair type is always in dire need of moisture. Now, a really great pre-poo treatment will provide that for you. Even if you don't even have type 4 hair or type 3 hair, which you should always be pre-pooing your hair, just the extra nutrients and vitamins that which you are going to get from your pre-poo treatment, that's something which is good enough that you should look into adding pre-poo into your routine. Next reason why I pre-poo my hair. Now some people are going to be like, really Selena? Because I do not want over clean hair. I know some people will say, oh, I use a lot of heavy products and I don't want build-ups and things like that. I'm not saying don't shampoo your hair. I'm not saying don't clean your hair. We all want clean hair and clean scalp, especially our scalp. Your scalp have to be extremely clean, but for clean hair is also not very good, because the harsh shampoo, harsh chemicals is stripping away all of those necessary oils that our hair strands and our hair follicles needs to stay healthy. While pre-pooing your hair, it helps to preserve some of those oils and also protects our hair follicles. A third reason why I pre-poo is for me to get rid of my shed hair and my tangles. It is normal for our hair to shed at least 90 to 100 strands of hair a day. Now once I pre-poo and I use my fingers, I'm able to get rid of those shed hair without me causing a lot of breakage or without me causing any breakage to my hair, because I gently detangle my hair and take all of those shed hair away. The fourth reason why I pre-poo my hair is to reduce breakage. Now breakage is something which is very bad, because if you're having a lot of breakage, you're not able to retain length and you wouldn't be able to grow your hair at your desired length. And if you are rushing to do your hair, you just jump into the shower and you are washing to wash your hair while your hair is all tangled up, especially with, you guys see how my curls are so tight on each other. If I just jump in the shower now and just want to throw water and shampoo on my hair without detangling my hair, it's not going to be as easy as someone with type 1 and type 2 hair. So according to my hair texture, I must pre-poo my hair to reduce breakage. I'm not saying shedding. If you see long strands of hair, that's shedding, that's normal. But if you see your hair strands are just short, that's breakage. And this hair type is so easy for it to break because the curls wrap around on each other. So if I'm able to sit down, take my time, be gentle, get an amazing pre-poo treatment, part my hair in sections, and gently detangle each sections with love and care with my fingers. With that, I'm able to reduce breakage. I cannot do that in the shower. I cannot do that just with a shampoo. So that is why I always include pre-poo treatment in my hair routine and also my daughter's hair routine. Even though their hair texture is a little bit different from mine, but I work that when I pre-poo their hair before their whole shampoo process, it just makes it easy. We have no breakage. We have moisturized soft hair before going in with our shampoo. Number 5, why I pre-poo. And to be frank, this is very important for me because you guys know I'm a DIYer. So I have to make majority of my products that I use. It's already time consuming. So when I pre-put my hair before my wash day, it reduces my wash day time. And it also saves my drainage. That's another thing which I don't like to do is that if I go into the shower to wash my hair, I have hair dripping out, falling all on my body, and then it's down into my shower. That is why I don't wash my hair into my shower. I prefer to wash my hair places that I can see. Like now I have my, how you call it, salon sink right in here, which is so easy that I can wash my hair, and then I have a drainage cup there that can hold the hair so that it doesn't clog anything out. But those of you who wash your hair in your shower, if you don't have a drainage cover, in the long run you're gonna have a lot of problems. And that's one of the nastiest thing I don't like. You're in a shower and then you have a clogged shower and all that dirt from your body is not sitting there, and it's just disgusting. So because of that, I try to pre-poo my hair, and then I wash my hair in my salon sink. But if I have to jump in the shower quick, I don't have any shed hair all on the floor or all over me. So yeah, and it also reduces my wash day time a lot because my hair is already detangled. My shampoo, I don't have to detangle. And then my deep condition, it is just so easy. When I apply my deep conditioner on my hair, my fingers now just gliding through my hair because I already removed all of those shed hair before, and it's just amazing. The last reason why I pre-poo, which is I can say the most important one, because we take care of our hair. We want healthy hair, we want longer hair. I don't know what your goal is. Mine is both. I claim it, both healthy and long hair. So that's what I am fighting towards. So when you pre-pooing your hair, whatever treatment you are using to pre-poo your hair, I hope you are using quality and great natural organic ingredients. So those ingredients, it also have a lot of nutrients and vitamins within them, and all of those nutrients and vitamins, your hair follicles and your hair shaft is going to benefit from it, which in turn you're going to have your healthy hair, your longer hair. So pre-pooing your hair is very important. So I hope by the end of this video, you'll be like, yeah, Selena, I'm going to start pre-pooing my hair. Even though it's an extra step, but at the end, looking at all the benefits you're going to get from it, why not just give it a try for at least 3 months? And then give it a try for 6 months. And before then, you know that, oh, I love it. I'm just going to continue doing this. So if this video helped you in any way, and you're gonna start pre-pooing, let me know down in the comment section if you are already pre-pooing your hair and you love it and why you do pre-poo, then leave some of your comments down below so others can benefit from it. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like leave a comment down below and help others out. You can also now find me on TikTok as Selena Zinchuk. You can find me on Instagram as Selena Zinchuk. And I created a Facebook page, Selena Zinchuk DIYs. That's something I created that when I post a video or when you have any problems, you can head over there, leave a comment, make a post, and all those can contribute towards it, try to help you solve your problem. If I'm not able to get to you in a timely manner, I will make a separate video for that, letting you guys know, and I will also leave the link down below so we can all create this community also on Facebook, try to help each other. You can also be posting pictures because I want to see you guys pictures. I get so many emails, Selena. I've been watching your videos. My hair is thriving. My hair is doing great. And I think Facebook would be a great place for you guys to start posting pictures also for me to see. And that would be so, so great. So I will leave the link down below and I will tell you guys more about it. I'm trying to get someone to help me manage the page. If you have the extra time on your hand and you want to work with me one-on-one, and you know when you're working with me one-on-one, you're gonna get some benefits with it, right? Also, you're gonna have access to my products. You also gonna have one-on-one conversation if you have problem with your hair. So if you want to help me manage this page, the only drawback, you should be based within America and you should have knowledge about Facebook. And then I can add you as an admin so you can help me manage the page and we all can help each other and help others who need help. If you have the knowledge, you can also recommend things to them when I'm not there to give it to them. I just feel it's going to be a great community, but I will talk more about that later. But follow me on Facebook, Selena Zinchuk DIY. I will leave the link down below. Instagram, TikTok, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, family.